Riley with Lano Equipment again, talking about another Moritz trailer that we carry here at Lano Equipment. This one here is going to be the AR series, so this has nothing frills with it at all. This is just going to be the major 20 feet of deck, and then it has the aluminum ramps on the rear. Like I mentioned before, all Moritz trailers will have the 2 5/16 ball coupler on the front. This one as well will have the 12,000-pound sidewind jack. Just like I mentioned on the other trailers as well, it'll come with the diamond-plated toolbox as well, very deep. It will have the spare as well. As you can see with this one, all LED lights again, all the way around the trailer. This one here is going to be another 16,000-pound GVWR trailer. As you can see from the side here as well, it's just a standard skid steer trailer. The nice feature with this one here is that it has aluminum ramps, so it is a very nice and easy built trailer for you without breaking the bank.